For this topic, I'll be talking briefly on the risk factors that is always attributed to foodborne illnesses. So CDC have identified a few factors that is commonly associated with foodborne illness. So the number one is actually time and temperature abuse, because food, if you leave it at a certain temperature, we call it as a temperature danger zone, which is from 5 degrees Celsius to 62 degrees Celsius, and you leave it for a period of 4 hours, it actually can increase the risk of food poisoning, because that is the suitable or conducive environment for microorganisms to multiply. So it's always important to remember that if you have any perishable food, make sure that you keep it at a temperature either above 63 degrees Celsius or below 5 degrees Celsius. And if you were to put it in that temperature zone, 5 to 62 degrees Celsius, make sure that it is less than 4 hours. The second one is on poor personal hygiene and improper hand washing, because some of us take for granted about hand washing. If you do not have a proper hand washing, you might transfer any germs or any microorganism from, for example, from uncooked food to cooked food. And that's why it's important to have a proper hand washing, as well as you have to have a good poor hygiene. And the third one is cross-contamination. This happens because of the transfer of microorganisms from places such as from your knife, from the cutting board onto food. So for cross-contamination, it's important to educate food service employees to know that anything that they do, they have to practice cleanliness and also sanitation to make sure that they do not contaminate the food that they are preparing. And the last one is contaminated ready-to-eat foods such as salad items and processed meats. Because ready-to-eat food, you don't normally cook it again. It is ready to eat. So sometimes there are cases whereby you might accidentally contaminate from uncooked food onto this ready-to-eat food. Okay, that is all for this topic. I'll see you on the next topic. Thank you.